Hey everyone, do you like sweet and spicy foods as much as I do? If you do, this video is for you. In this video, we will make candied jalapeños, also known as cowboy candy. It's my favorite way to enjoy jalapeno peppers. It's sweet, spicy, and can be used in many ways, or just eaten on their own. They're similar to pickled jalapeno slices, but cooked in a syrup, making for a sweet, tangy, and spicy snack. And best of all, they're easy to make. You'll need what you see on the screen for this recipe. You'll need jalapenos, sugar, apple cider vinegar, powdered turmeric, ginger powder, and cinnamon powder. Wash and dry the jalapeños, then cut them up into about 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter thick slices. Mix the apple cider vinegar and sugar into a pot on medium heat. Let that cook for a few minutes until it starts to boil into a syrupy liquid, and add the other seasonings. And let that simmer for a couple more minutes. Add the sliced jalapeños and stir around until all pieces are coated with the liquid. Then let that cook on low for about 5 minutes. You'll notice the colors start to change. Then, turn off the heat, stir it all up for a few seconds, and let that cool for about 10 minutes. And then carefully put into clean jars with the liquid. And you're done. You can eat these immediately, but I think they're best when chilled, especially letting them sit in the fridge for a couple days or so, which allows the flavors to blend even more, giving you a sweet and spicy snacking pepper, which, take it from me, can be addictive. And like I mentioned earlier, these can be eaten as is, or with cheese and crackers, or as a condiment on your favorite foods, such as tacos, pizzas, and of course burgers and sandwiches. I love cowboy candy, and I'm sure you will too. If you enjoyed this video, or learned something new, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you aren't already a subscriber, click on that subscribe button and the bell notification button to be notified of any new videos I post. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.